Hey, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you the most simple way that I found to get rid of that smell coming out of your garbage disposal. Not only this is the most effective way that I found, but it's also free. So let's get started. So you want to start off by getting something to stop the water from going down the drain, any kind of stopper. I just use this little measuring cup. Now what you want to do is start filling your sink. And just fill it up about halfway. That's always worked for me. Now what you want to do is grab some ice. I would recommend to use smaller cubes like this or a bag of ice. Take your cubes and drop them down at the bottom. Now that your sink is full of water and a cup of ice, you're ready to turn on the garbage disposal. Now once you turn that on, make sure you pull the plunger out. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And what it does, it'll crush the ice, but spin it around, removing all that food particles that are stuck to the side. And then at the end, the ice will melt, leaving no residue. Now, if you want, you can put, a squeeze of lemon or something in there, but I wouldn't recommend cutting pieces of the lemon and putting it in there. It's not necessary. And that's all you have to do to get rid of that smell that's coming out of your sink. If you like this video, tap that like button and let me know in the comments if this helped you out to get rid of that smell coming out of your sink. All right, until next time, I'm out. See ya.